Just arrived at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL Edition SUV. On the exterior of the Santa Fe, we have heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, blind spot collision system, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and adaptive cruise control. The 7-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology, Apple Carplay and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe has less than 16,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.